Count it up and flip it. All money in like Nipsey. I smoke like.
Check. Check, check, check. There we go. All right, we're good now. 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 I was like, audio. Audio. There we go. Now we're good. Ready to rock and roll. We got 2 minutes, y'all. We are good and ready to rock and roll now, my friends. Bro, Aaron Gordon's performance last night was nuts. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm just at the office today. Had to set up, run a little late setting up. We're good. We don't trade the first 15 minutes anyway. I mean, some of you degens might, but I don't. When I use DOD, I don't. I'm live at the Team Bull headquarters today. Got the squad trading with us live in real time. Yeah, Curry went insane last night. That was literally unfair. I was watching that just in awe of the greatness. In awe of the greatness happening. Vibes are high today. Vibes are very high. Let's get it, everyone in person. Let's make some money. We got a whole squad of traders live with us in person today. Got a whole squad of traders. I will be watching that previous all-time high run. I hope that we don't hit it in the first. What the heck? Why did my internet drop? Oh, no, it's great. My internet just dropped. That was weird. I think my cord came unplugged. There we go. Now we're good. So we're hardwired in. You are? I'm good. There we go. Oh, don't hit our bouncer right off the rip. There we go. Free Friday link is up. Let's trade smart, trade safe, stay patient, choose discipline over dopamine, and let's get to the money today, everybody. All right, Brandon, we getting our 400 bounce? I know. What's up, Tyler? How's it going, man? Oh, what's up, bro? Got the whole squad here, everybody. Whole army of Team Bulls here in the house. Whole army is in the household today. We're live at the Team Bull HQ. Got everyone settled in. Hopefully we can make some money in person. If we lose, it's the market's fault. If we win, it's because I'm the greatest trader in the world. It's always the market's fault if we lose, but it's the traders that win if we secure a dub. That's the vibe we're going with today. Yes, we're ready. Damn, bro. 30 points early. for just nuker. Well, not for quite nuker yet, but what's looking like it could be a nuker. Oh, why does it always do this? Hold on, Grizzly. I can't hear anything. I'm not at my actual desk, so I gotta change the speakers. All right. Yo, speak now, please. What's up, bro? How's it going?
Good, man. Ready to kind of catch a nice trade today like we did yesterday.
Sorry about that. I had to reconnect my speakers at the office.
It's all good. I've been waiting too long.
We went back to back like the 96, 97 Bulls yesterday. That was awesome. I mean, we got to catch another banger. We got a squad trading with us live in person. What other communities doing that besides Team Bull? None. Oh, that's the answer, I'll tell you. Whole lot of none. That's who's doing that. That's who's bringing their traders to tap in. Catch some trades. Gonna wait the first 15 minutes. Trade smart, trade safe. I'm a little bummed that we didn't test that 400 level, that previous all-time high, but it's all right. Let me see what we can get today. Where's Mr. Gene at? Oh, he's still getting coffee? Oh. What? What's up, Gerardo? So what's in Mexico?
F1 this weekend.
Oh, F1, that's right.
And
Heads up, be careful with those cords. I stepped on it last time, and that's what messed up the internet. Just gonna have no walk zone through there.
oh, you're live right now?
Oh yeah, all Team Bull, we're vibing. Damn, I really wanted to see that lower bounce at like previous all-time high. If we would have gotten that 390, 400 money bags, almost. Not guaranteed, but very, very, very high probability you see a bounce at a spot like that. Very high probability. Howdy. Late to the party, man. Welcome.
Yeah, bro.
Welcome.
All the way from Fort.
Wow. What's up, Cody? Oh, yeah. More and more traders pouring in, baby. Every trader that comes in, a little more pressure on. Bring it. Bring it on, baby. They give me all-time highs. They put a crowd in the audience. Guess what? We're still going to catch a dub today, baby. I'll tell y'all that much. It don't matter. It don't matter the circumstances. We're still going to be catching dubs. We're still catching dubs with my squad. We're still moving up. I'm not chasing this. We're at all-time highs. I wanted to see that previous all-time high retest. We were about 30 points short. So today's just going to be a waiting game. We're at all-time highs. I mean, like all-time highs. And when you get up to these levels, what's up, Brando? You have to remain very patient. I mean, every day you should be remaining patient regardless, but especially when you're at all-time highs. Me? Yeah. I had to come earlier next time. I want to get my screen. I want to get some charts up there too, so I can really. Oh no, not to. I just don't want to mess up our stream. Heads up! Hey, no walking over there. Careful with the cords. Damn! Look at those highs. More highs! More highs! More highs. What's up, Gene? Where you been? Oh, I didn't see you in there. Whoops. Hiding from me. They really did us dirty with that bounce, Brandon. Mega trade. How's the algos doing, Cody? What are they saying? What are the algos telling us?
I gotta move it over to Python, dude. As far like the execution, not where it needs to be, but it's saying we're set up for the long game.
The algo likes the longs. I'm gonna watch some gold today too. Honestly, I'm gonna pull up some GC. Gold had a little ripper today too. Yep, say hello to all of our family in person. We got a whole squad of money team traders with us today.
Oh, jeez, you know more than I do.
And Rob's got the best seat in the house. Best seat in the house. My top down. I'm staying alive. Just like my vibe. Yeah, and be very careful today. Very, very, very careful today. Ain't no one doing it better than Team Bowl. That's facts. Aaron Gordon 50 bomb, and we still lost. Bro, so whack. Yeah, Steph just went absolutely sicko mode. You can't do anything about that. Bro just went absolutely bananas. Yeah, we got the whole squad trading live with us today. We're going to try to find ourselves a winner online and in person. We are at all-time highs, so... Well, you must be new then. 1111. We print daily. That's what we do. Today we just happened to get to print with a whole lot of fam in person. Yo, let's see this. Market's been open for 10 minutes, so I'm just going to trade smart, trade safe. Oh, what the heck? Why is it? Oh. Live from TBHQ. Yeah, we'll see. It could be a no trade day just because we're trading together in person. It's a Friday. Doesn't mean you have to trade. It's all-time high, so I am going to be a bit more picky. We're going to be a bit more picky today at all-time highs. There we go. There we go. There we go. All better. All better now. It's whenever I have that other camera, it echoes a little bit. What are you watching for, Grizzly Glock? You see anything you like? Mr. Grizzly? I don't think bro's listening. Not so much, not a lot of options these days, but gotta hit the occasional trade. Yes, windmill dunks, 50K payouts on Apex, and Jay White, the man of the animals, the deer whisperer.
What did you say, Jdun? He's talking to me.
Oh, I was just seeing if you were watching anything.
I'm watching this 15-minute range. It looks really good. I like where we're at. Considering the data strategy on SPY.
Damn, brave man. I like it though. I like it, man. Respect a man that's very brave and willing to go at it. If you get to move down, it'll likely be of epic proportions.
We're out below 6,800 on SPX as well.
There we go. We got SPY up and Q up. Want to come say hi to everyone, Gene? Want to come say hi to everybody? Gene's coming to say hello. Let's go! Fuck
What's
yeah.
up, guys? What up, Adrian? ¿Qué pasó? Gotta wear my hat. What up? It's cold. What up, guys? Yeah, I did, Adrian. I took a scalp on short London Open at like 1 a.m. in Colorado.
I really like to. There's only one free word I was trying to give you. I would take it for a stupid in the morning. It's so weird brain like raining the ball.
I was just up. Yeah, I was just up. I literally was up organizing everything at the office. I was building the shelf at like, I was being crackhead at like 12 a.m. I was vibing, cleaning, organizing the office. It looks way better on the other side. These calendars are insane. It's cold.
What's up, Daniel? Doing well. How are you, Jdun? So good. You're good. Hold on. Turn my phone. You holding it down?
Yep. It's cold. So technically, I trade the Open, which would be like Sydney, but it goes into Asia. Asia is at 7 p.m. Eastern, and London starts at 3 a.m. Eastern.
So awesome. What's up, dog? All right. Where's my I forgot my coffee over there. Whoops.
So that's already interesting too, because that's already great. I now gotta see if
All right, there we go. Let's get it. Oh, our 15-minute range is in. All right, 10, 15. Fifteen-minute range is in, everybody. Let's go. Try it. I mean, I don't. You like it? Do it. I'll join you if you try some. Why is this not? There we go. There we go. We got the whole squad here in person. What other team is doing that? Nobody. Yeah, Brandon, damn, that would have printed. All right. Bro, killed it yesterday. You're right. We're winners here. We actually do this in person. A whopping 7 points, baby. A whopping 7 points. As a reminder, we're live on YouTube as well. JDUN Trades. Appreciate y'all being here. Damn, Brandon, those shorts are printed. Trading smart, trading safe, staying patient, everybody. No trades for me yet. We're at that 50% retracement for the day. We're near that midline area. Personally, with this candle, I don't really want to short this, but I'm also a little hesitant to long it too. So just gonna wait. Gonna stay patient. Wait for my 5-minute confirmations. Choose DOD. Choose discipline over dopamine each and every day. Damn, Brandon, those shorts would have paid. Just to remind you, in case you forgot. In case you forgot, wanted to remind you. Well, we're above the middle line, but we had an aggressive 5-minute candle with rising volume. So technically speaking, can look for a pop up and short. I have a hard time shorting down here on this breakout down.
How good data strategy? Told you.
That data strategy paid.
Hey, man. Got any plans for the weekend, Jdun? Anything going?
Just hanging, bro. Nuggets game.
You going to it?
Oh, yeah. Highest 35. Yep. No trades for me yet. Just waiting. Only been open 20 minutes.
We was up like 20% over there on options.
Damn.
Few puts.
Damn.
I saw last night.
You're stupid, bro.
I did. No.
Of course you did. Some lamb chops.
Like,
Is that last night?
yeah.
You guys are funny.
Went and got some lamb chops. Got my protein in. Yes, sir.
TBHQ. Still just staying patient. All right, let's see what we get. Trade smart, trade safe. Yeah, we're at all-time highs, so I'm going to be a little more cautious per usual, but it's okay. We're day traders, not trade every day, every second traders. Last time I checked, we weren't called trade every second traders. Some of y'all think that's what you are, but it's not what you should be. We get on and try to trade. Tesla's hurting too. Oh my god, we had a... Oh my gosh, Tesla's move yesterday though. I didn't even see that. If we can get a reversal and a build on Tesla above 450, we could see a really aggressive move too. I think once we get that final push, we're going to see a big move up. once we can move above 450 on Tesla, it's a wrap. So I will watch if we can get a strong candle down here above the midline. Yep, I'm with you. I'll look for longs with a stop below this 5-minute candle if we can confirm it. If and only if we confirm. If and only if. Staying patient with all the students in person. Trying to help thousands of people online, like 15 people in person. We're doing this. We're getting it. We got the whole squad here. Got to get some of y'all out next time to trade live in person. Got to get a bigger office. What is confirmation? Higher volume with a candle close? Nope, no confirmation because we had the wick up, but we had lower volume on this 5-minute candle. As you can see here, it technically could. I mean, if you wanted to go long, your stops have to be below 463. It just personally doesn't fit my system, so I'm not trying it. Personally. No, didn't get the rising volume close, so I'm personally not trying it. We may move up. Doesn't matter. Didn't fit my system. Not trying the trade. Oh, we have data in 4 minutes too? Bro, that was huge. Best place in the world is Team Bull Trading, baby. That's right. That is correct. So we're getting that move up off the midline, but we didn't have the volume I wanted to confirm, so I'm chilling. I'm staying patient. Less chatting, more charting. Why would I want to do something boring like sitting there and being silent and charting? Couldn't be me. I know. You want to sit in silence and trade, do it lonely. I wouldn't want to do that. Trading's lonely enough as a whole. We have data in 3 minutes as well, guys. Consumer sentiment, which can sometimes give us a decent-sized move. Consumer sentiment? Why? I don't know. Why don't you ask the data people? Let me just call in real quick. So why do we release consumer sentiment? I know I'm making some calls. I'm making some calls.
We are live. Are you streaming here?
No. Not right now. It's on there if I want to have everyone say hello, but no. What's up, Mr. Gene?
What's up, Gene?
What's up, Gene? Two is for Gene right here.
Oh, whoops. Don't crack me up. There we go. All right. We're good to go. Grandma's, might need to call Grandma and ask some bias. I think it might be about that time.
100% win rate.
She's got, before stop loss is hit. We need to know right now. The call's coming in on like Jeopardy or whatever that game is where you get to make a call back in the day. Nope, I'm calling Grandma.
Oh, call Grandma.
We need bias. Hello. All right, here's the deal. Market gapped up massively on CPI data. We're at all-time highs. Currently about at opening range. Are we going up long or short down today?
I think long.
Longs? Grandma in the longs at 500. Grandma likes the longs. All right, Grandma thinks long. Your win streak's on the line.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Love you, bye.
All right, bye.
All right, let's see if Grandma gets it. A little risky, long at all-time highs, but, I mean, she believes.
I'm just saying you better be ready because she's up since she said it.
She's up so far. I think she's got to get high a day for a trim, though. I think she's got to get high a day for a trim. So far, so good. So far, she needs high a day, though. She's got to get that high a day. Grandma needs that high a day. I think we give her like a 30-point plus price target, and then we'll give her like a 30-point stop loss. We'll give her down to like 470. Seven for 7 on trims and good trades so far, so we'll see if she gets 8 for 8. I'm not wanting to go long shit. Uh-oh. She's about to her trim. Grandma just stays cooking. If she gets that high a day, that's money. Now I just need volume to confirm so I can get cooking too. The volume's not looking great. But the candle looks good. It's getting closer. We'll see what it gives us. Grandma knows ball. I see where you get it from. Y'all got me cracking up. Y'all crack me up. I know we want it. Still just waiting, guys. Trading smart, trading safe, staying patient. Howdy. You just messaged me on Discord?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry you can find it. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Noah.
Noah. Jacob. Nice to meet you, bro. Welcome, man. Make yourself at home. Come on, market. Move up. Yeah, Noah, you're late, man. Come on. That's what chat's saying. We got all the traders with us today. Everyone's coming in, vibing, trading. Everyone's here vibing and trading and vibing. Yeah, thanks for coming by, man. Got to get everyone here. Uh-oh, Grandma's going to get a price target. It might even give me an entry, too. Oh, nope, never mind. Not giving me my entry. And it might blue ball Grams. Stop telling people your name is Jacob. It's Jdun. I'm sorry. You're right. It's Jdun. So we got a higher volume 5-minute candle here. But half of this candle's wick, so I still have a hard time longing this. I mean, I guess you could with stops below this, but this isn't a great trend-setting upside candle. We're below pre-market high still. We're below 15-minute high. I still don't have enough confirmation personally to enter. I thought there was a dog. I heard chains. There was a dog coming in, bro. It's like someone brought their dog to trade. I know you do. So that it's Gene's music. Why would you say that? Where are you coming from, man?
Aurora.
Aurora?
We met a while ago.
Did we?
I filmed your old Urus.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah. So when you went to Park Meadows, it was a while ago.
Okay, small world. That's cool. Well, welcome to hanging out with everyone, man. I'm happy to have you here. The day you hear me tell someone my name is Jake. Oh, damn! Grandma's price target smacked. Damn! Granny's 8 for 8. She got that dog in her. Woof. That's wild. Another GMA win. That's crazy. Grandma's getting more wins. She's gonna take my job. Different, bro. You see that, Brando? Granny with the dub again. Granny with the dub once again. The Dubski. We really need that funded account that literally is just Grandma calls. All right, give me one confirmation candle. We're at all-time highs, so I'm naturally going to be a little more cautious. You know what's crazy? I was just actually while we're waiting for a trade, I was just actually talking to Grandma, and in the last year, she went from 33 BMI to just dropping below 25 for the first time in like a lot of years. Yeah, just got into the healthy range. They tried to put her on medicine. She said nope. Dropped 8 BMI in the last year. Below 25. She's just got into the healthy range in BMI for the first time in like ever. 77 years old. She said, screw that Ozempic. Pretty dope. Catching winning trades and winning in the gym. Pretty dope. Body mass index. Still waiting for an A+ setup, guys. I am watching some individual names as well. If we happen to get a setup, I'm watching Tesla. I want to see strength over 450. AMD's having itself a day, too. Do I use bookmap? Sometimes. Brandon's the bookmap king, though. Brandon's the bookmap freaking king. It's even hard, like, say we got some nice reversal candle up here, right? Say we got a nice reversal candle up here. It's hard to short that because it's literally at all-time highs. You're basically trying to short all-time highs, which is tough. As a reminder, guys, on Discord, socials, I will never follow you. I won't ask you for money. I won't DM you first. There's lots of people that have impersonator accounts. Please don't get scammed. Please do not get scammed, everybody. We've got to close above the 15-minute high and the pre-market high, but this volume sucks. This volume is not great. So we got this close above the 15-minute high and the pre-market high. The problem for me is this wick on this previous candle, and the volume is still not there to where I want to see it. So it may be a slow grind up type of day, in which if we don't get an A+ entry, I won't take a trade, which is okay with me. I wasn't aware MGK stopped rapping and started trading. What? In what world do I resemble MGK? Don't want to go dye my hair blonde? Get some neck tats? That's wild, bro. That's crazy.
Your employer might not hire you, but
What do you say, Grizzly?
I was talking to chat now. I'm around. I'm just waiting. I haven't seen a valid setup yet. Personally.
If we had higher volume, I'd be tempted to try these longs down here with a stop below like 500, but it just doesn't. It doesn't fit my system. So if I tried it, it'd just be high risk. I'm not really feeling like being high risk today.
End up today. I don't know. We get above the 6,800 on the SPX and trend up. I'll be surprised.
Mo's took that, I think, 50. I'm really liking 50s. Dude, it just feels so good having a 50K account.
Team Bull neck tap.
Gold is breaking out of the
Is gold moving? It is. It's getting there. $730. Yep, it's almost there. We're gonna take some gold longs. I haven't taken a gold trade in New York session yet.
It has been really nice recently.
Yeah, it has been. There's been some good volatility there for sure. Discipline over dopamine, that's right. Yeah, let's check out this gold.
I really like the way gold. You mentioned it on the stream. That MGC, you don't want to do your GC. It's $100 per
GC can get away from you quick. It can for sure get away from you real quick.
I mean, maybe you're there. I'm not there yet.
So we're bouncing that pre-market high currently. Again, didn't have the volume I wanted to see in the previous candle, so I did not take that.
I've been doing 1 minute 3 pip. And then 5 minute 1 pip on my main strategy.
This gold orb might play out too. Good looks on that. This gold is going. No pullback for anybody.
No way.
Can we just take a second and realize grandma's like 8 for 8? Just balls. I can't do this volume. Can't do it.
Gold has the volume.
Well, gold does have the volume. We can watch for a pullback in gold now. For sure. That 15-minute high area. This volume on the upside is horrific. I can't long that. Not personally, not me. Remember, we're day traders, not trade every day traders. We choose discipline over dopamine each and every day. Trade smart, trade safe, stay patient. Still got a while. Market's only been open 45 minutes. What's up, Brando? You see anything you like? Gold looks good back to the 15-minute orb area. And the pre-market high. Yeah, 41 like 37 area, 41 35. Like if this was set up on an NQ, I would take this 100 out of 100 times if we pull back. For sure, without a doubt. Grandma should be a Team Bull admin at this point. She's calling bangers. Sir, I appreciate y'all. Appreciate all y'all being here. If you're for Free Friday, make sure you tap in at that follow button and join the Team Bull movement. Appreciate each and every one of y'all rocking with us. We're live trading in person with the familia today. Hopefully we can find a winner together, but we're not going to force it. So we never force it.
How many people are in this live?
I got like 1,300, like 2,500 total.
2,500?
Yeah.
That's a lot of people.
Nuts. Yep, we got the squad in person today. Yes, sir. I'm not shorting up here. I don't short without confirmation. You better believe. Puppy. We're still holding that pre-market high. I can't with this volume. I can't. Not quite yet. See if I'll pull back to this entry area on gold. I'd be willing to try an MGC, a micro trade on gold if we pull back into this pre-market high and 15-minute high. It's not our typical trade, I know, but... Watching this gold for longs if we pull back into the 15-minute high. If NQ ends up giving us a nice trade too, I'll be interested. Just right now, gold looks super solid. No trades for me. Just watching the NASDAQ and gold. Yep. I have not taken a single trade yet today, guys. No trades. No trades yet today. I'm watching for the gold longs on the pullback, but pull back to like 41.35 with stops below that trend-setting candle looks decent. What's up, Gerardo? Uh-oh, someone's out there trading. Gotcha! Just waiting, guys. Staying patient. GC's gold.
Yes, I'm being careful.
Let's see. Come on, a little more pullback on gold. Or a strong trend-setting candle on NQ. Give me something. Nothing on Tesla yet. Nothing on AMD. Oh, I'm back. Think I'd miss a Friday? You kidding me? Think I'd miss a Friday? Me? Jdun? No. No, you got the wrong Jdun, my friend. You got the wrong Jdun. They really chose CPI Friday to put us at all-time highs for in-person live trading. I see how it is. I won't forget that, market makers. Nothing you like, Brando? Just hanging. All right, we did get higher volume on this last 5-minute candle. Strong body, a little wick. I don't like it at all-time highs, but technically speaking, could watch for a retest back up to this 15-minute high. And pre-market high with stops above 549 for shorts. I don't love it, but can technically be valid. So we'll see how we look as we get closer to there. Still watching this gold retest, too. Still watching this gold retest as well. What's up, man? That sweatshirt's hard. That sweatshirt's hard. It's cool. What's your name?
Danny.
Danny? Jacob, nice to meet you, bro. Welcome to the HQ. All right, we're getting down to that retest area on gold. Let's see, 41.36. I'm trying a little piece of gold longs at 41.36. Just some micros on gold longs. I tried a little piece of gold longs, guys. Gold longs at 41.36. Micros. So I'm still getting used to trading gold in New York. I'm watching the NASDAQ as well. Not my usual trade during New York session, but the 15-minute orb looks decent. If you want to wait for a little better entry, wait for us to wick down, pop back up, and keep stops full of that wick. Stop loss on gold would have to be like worst case below 41.30. But I mean, you can manage that you see fit. Gold can get away from you real quick. I just tried some micros because the setup looks good. My main watch today is still the NASDAQ. I only tried some micros on gold. I have a hard stop at 41.30. Again, very low risk. But it was worth a try. If nothing else, to show you guys that setup, that's something I would take on the NASDAQ 10 out of 10 times. We're up 3 points so far. Is that good for gold? I don't know. No?
Took a gold trade?
I did. I took longs down there at 41.36. Yeah. That's right.
You're brave, man. You're a brave man. Trading gold.
I know. I don't even got the gold rollie on. Gotta have the all gold everything. If I lose, it's because I don't have my gold watch on. It's not my fault. I'd like to see like a move up to like 41, 42, but I only took a few micros, so I'm still getting used to trading it intraday. I haven't done a lot of gold trading. Yep. Come on, gold. Go to 41.42. That would be 1-to-1 up at 41.42. So we basically have to get past this 5-minute high wick. There we go. Come on, a little more. A little more gold. Come on. We touched 41.42. If you guys want to trim it 1-to-1 up here, you can. It is completely your choice. Nice job so far, though. We're moving. I'm going to go ahead and trim up here, guys, at 41.43. I'm going to trim this gold. Let's go. Stop losses if you're in gold at break even. Now let's see if we can cash something on the NASDAQ, baby. See if we can cash something on the NASDAQ. Thanks, bro. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Stops at break even on gold, everybody. On GC. Now let's try to find something on the NASDAQ. Let's see if we can catch some shorts or something. See if we can catch some. I'll let you guys know if I enter. The gold just moved nice, though. Got over 1-to-1. Just over 1-to-1. Not crazy, but, I mean, 1-to-1 will pay the bills. Nice. Made $300. That's dope. And I'd like to see more out of it, but I'd love to see high a day out of gold, personally. I'd love to see a NASDAQ setup that can give us a nice short entry. Didn't get the retest I wanted on the NASDAQ, so I didn't take that setup we talked about earlier with the retest to pre-market high. I'm still open to taking a NASDAQ setup, though. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, gold. Push up. Push up to high a day. Not a bad trade on gold, huh, Brando? I mean, that textbook is just setup. That setup is textbook. The setup is textbook. Or that textbook is setup. That's something I would take all day, every day on NQ. Yeah, longs for gold. Got in at 41.36. This 15-minute high retest. Something I would take all day, every day on NQ. On pretty much any name I'm trading, that's an A+ setup. It's a high probability setup.
Yeah, I got in at 476.25. Well, in pre-market high lined up too.
Yep, everything right there. When you have that big candle with both those, money bags. So high probability.
And it bounced off the 5 EMA. Everything.
Let's go! Cody the Algo Man. This is an aggressive buy candle in the NASDAQ. The textbook is set up. Jdun 2025.
The textbook.
I know, I was just telling Gene, I want some espresso. Need some coffee.
We were twitching last time, remember? Someone brought espresso.
Oh, that looks like a damn good long candle. What's the low of it? 470, 498. What'd I do? There is a potential setup on the NASDAQ. I don't necessarily love it, but we have our middle line around 480. We have an aggressive 5-minute candle with very high volume. We'll see. I don't hate this area down here for a bounce. I'm just a little hesitant with doing it below pre-market high and our 15-minute high. I'm watching, like a hawk watching a mouse in a field. I haven't swooped in yet, but we're thinking about it. We're thinking about it. I can't do it yet.
So yeah, if you like the wave of volume in Asia
I want to catch a really nice trend move. That area right here on screen share, if you're watching, ended up so far being a solid bounce. I didn't take it, but I just want to catch a really nice trend move. And the gold chart's been very clean. Look at that, though. Look at the area we circled. Look how it's reacting. Man. Yeah, we'll switch the screen to NQ. Go back to NQ. Damn. On what? Damn, we're moving now off that bounce zone. Damn. I didn't take it, but damn. When did you win your last trade? Took gold longs at 41.36 and got a trim off over 1-1. That's a win. Stops at break even. By definition, that is a win, right? I wish I would have taken those NQ longs down there. Oh, I missed that NASDAQ entry down there. That was money bags.
How many points you end up catching on gold, Jdun?
So far, still in. It's 36, 44. It's up like 8 right now. It's over 1-1. We only had 6 points of risk. I want to see it go to high day. I want to see 51 out of it. I missed my NASDAQ long entry.
Previous 5 minutes.
Yep. I missed that big time on screen share.
I was considering longs here if this candle closes with high volume. I thought this level was pre-market higher.
Yeah, I missed that longs entry for sure down there. It's all right. Hesitated a little bit. 1100, thanks for the insight. Nice. I'm glad you caught something. Come on, gold. Give us high a day. And give me a NASDAQ trade, too. Come on, gold. Push us up. She's moving. Gold's up 10 points. W long so far. I'd love to see some NQ longs come in. Got over 10 points there. 6 points of risk. We'll take that. Man, those longs would have moved. Bummer. That was the one. I'm glad gold's moving, but wanted a NASDAQ trade too. I took the Aubrey test because that trend-setting candle had higher volume on the 5-minute. Still riding these micros. Wins. 10 points so far.
it may be a no trade type of day for me. That is true. I don't see anything like this. It would have been valid for me. Volume's not telling me.
How about that go gold earth thing? We want the move up. We want more. You have discipline over dopamine, y'all. Don't forget it. Don't you forget DOD.
What about you, boy? You see anything on the NQ that you like?
Longs only for me. Less volume, though, again.
Let's hope we catch a nice winning NQ trade today.
Caught a winner on gold. Sub 10 points so far. I mean, that's a dub. MGC. So tempted to try longs and NQ. It just doesn't fit the system. I think we go test high a day, though. I mean, it looks very probable to go test high a day. I missed my long entry down here that we circled before it happened, but that's all right. I'm going to trade for another like 45 more minutes.
What are you hitting in the gym today?
I don't know yet. Probably some arms.
Get another push day.
Let's go. Let's see here. Oh, man.
I think I've seen Jdun push over 300 before on bench, right?
315. Yep. Gold trade's over, everybody. Almost. I thought that candle was about to crush through. It's hanging on to life support. It's hanging on the life support. Still, I'm happy with how it went. 10-point trade, getting a little more used to it. I still think we go test high a day on NASDAQ. This isn't a spot where I'm willing to enter. 350 for 2. That's baller.
Once that orb has
No. Rare. It's just not as your probability. You can, but your probabilities go down, you know, statistically speaking. Like, we could bounce here and rip up, but your edge that you had in the first test is much less now than it was in the first. Today's workout is arms, shoulders, and back. I can dig that. $315, what a beast. All right. What do you think, Brando? Any trades you like? Of course, they gave us all-time highs. And I'm glad we caught a winner still. One small winner on gold today. Small winner on gold with the whole squad. With all the students trading live in person. I actually kind of like shorts, but I'm not even going to lie. If we retest that pre-market high. I don't know how much juice we're going to have in the squeeze, but the 5-minute looks decent for it.
I think I'm just gonna walk away for the day. I don't see anything.
You out of here, Grizzly?
Yeah, I am. Hoping to catch an NQ trade, but doesn't look like I'm gonna get to.
Well, if one comes up, I'll text you.
Yeah. I'll catch you all Monday morning, bright and early.
See you, bro. Well, one winner on gold. Take that so far. Hate to brag. I don't think it's bragging. I'm glad you caught a winner. This is your mid-morning reminder to choose discipline over dopamine as well. Trade smart, trade safe. I don't know where Greg is today. Might be traveling. Yeah, family commitments. Trading quality trade, 6K, that's awesome. Come on. Told you, Brando, those shorts. I just didn't get the no retest up there again. Oh, yeah, the gold stop loss at 41.36, guys. Trade's over. Trade's been over for about 4 points, 5 points. Yes, hard stops always at break even after you trim. Hard stops always have to be in. Always, 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 always. If you're long gold at 41.36, you got over 1-to-1. Once you take your trim, you have to set your stops to break even. You have to have hard stops in at all times, no matter what, at least how I trade. I'm a very large advocate for always having hard stops in. Options are tougher. You almost have to do it by the premium. See, if you're like 30% take profit, you have to set your stop losses for your premium at 30%. Not based on equity price. What? If we get a strong close here in this candle, I'll look for a pop-up for shorts. I'll try it. Let's see, 35, 500. Come on. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get an NQ confirmation here, guys. Higher volume. Let's see if we retest back up to 490 to 500. I'm open to shorts. Gonna watch for a pop-up on NQ for shorts. If we get to 500, that's what I'm watching for. 490 to 500. I'm not sure we're gonna get it, but I'd be open to that with stops above our 15-minute high if we do. Come on, don't just dump without us. Not loving this price action. That's why we choose DOD. Got nothing here, man. Gene's getting some shots of espresso, though. Come on. Give us a pop-up. I think he's going to give it to us. What? I don't want to talk about it, bro. I don't care about VWAP. Nope, not even a little. And what you're seeing now is why. Not saying VWAP's useless, but I am saying that I care more about price and volume. No mames. I'll still watch. But unfortunately, this is the move I wanted to see down to low a day. So now it's a little higher risk if we pop back up. If you look at this from a even like a 15-minute perspective, this is not. There's been no trend today. Just been chopping here.
That's cool. That ain't my strategy. See, that's the problem. Stick to one strategy, or one strategy per account. Now we know. I just called you. Now we know why you really called you. Dude's too smart for his own good.
Sucks when that happens.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm decent at trading. I'm dumb.
I love that.
I'm so dumb. I didn't know how to spell VWAP before I got my first payout.
It's phonetically spelled.
Well, no, I spelled it VH.
Oh, that's
Or
fine.
V.
WAP here is wins and profit, baby.
You actually use it as a word.
You got to be a part of Team Bull to join the office group. of our group of traders, of winners. Called out one winning trade today so far on gold, not on NASDAQ, on gold.
I started taking my first payouts earlier this year. For a while though, it's like you're trying to learn from different people. And
Yeah, this is a tough candle to short now.
one of the biggest things like you got to back test. Yeah. Dude, it would be miserable. Some people are like, yeah, I've lost money for the last 5
Maybe a no NASDAQ trade for me.
tested like
Trade day for me.
back tested like 12 years worth of data. Why would I wait every morning when I could just
Log your back tests too. You know, I think that was when my trading changed. When I was like taking back testing trades like I would a real trade. You know, it's like, all right, I'm a lock in.
So that's what's actually different with the way I back test too, is because all of my systems all of my trading is very systematic.
Yeah.
So, so with it, I don't have to read it in live, real time.
Oh, really?
So, like my back testing, it probably takes about 5 minutes per day.
Yeah.
Like,
To get
to like get the setup. And then I would just like hammer through the candles until everything played out for its thing.
Yeah, right.
Then if my rule was the whole 1 win or 2 losses. So it's like I would then go through, and then what sucked is I'd be like, I just spent.
I wouldn't personally try go longs right here, not with my system.
16 hours a day. And then all of a sudden it's not even better than my regular strategy. And I'm like, okay, that sucks. So I had to like learn how to phase my back testing. Like phase 1 is a quick back testing on 1. Okay, past that, now I got a phase test 2, like 3 to 6 months of doing that strategy. And then I would do a long one, but then I was like so tired of it because I'm naturally just a lazy person. So I was like,
Still waiting, staying patient, guys.
I could then do that. Like if I had a thought of what if I took an entry here and an exit here, back testing, that is going to take if I have that thought and it's a setting that's already in my algo, I can change the setting and back test the entire hero game out of 10 seconds.
Yeah. No, so you remember a lot of days.
Yeah.
I tried not to do this year. I got funded on a few of my shit, and that was pretty consistent. So I don't know. I kept them super basic.
Come on.
Well, see, that's the thing too, is like it depends on what the thing basic is.
EMA called information. But that's
Yeah,
my
I'm not going to do that.
Yeah, still need to do it.
A lot of mine is previous zone.
Well, still watching for a trade. Got 30 more minutes left maximum of trading, then I'm done for the day. I got one winner on gold. Shorts, still, but not down here.
I wanted to show them the settings. I just don't want to mess with my tablet.
Did you have spot open?
No, so I got it turned off. So my issue right now is the execution of webhooks. I think I'm gonna have to move everything over to like a Python.
Webhooks suck.
Well, my strategy's such it's a scalp strategy. My main one, so
Hey, what's up? How's it going?
Good to see you.
Welcome.
I forgot all of my shit and all my gym
All of
stuff.
it.
All of it. On my way to.
Brandon, there's an intruder.
yeah. So by the time the first webhook gets here, the second one, and then sometimes if I'm in
You make some money this morning?
I did.
Did you? Nice.
Green on all my accounts.
Nice. Let's go.
Not bad. What about you?
Fire. Just a little win on gold.
Oh.
Been trading some gold. Yeah, a little bit.
What?
Just not really. No. I've only taken a few trades, but I like it. It moves.
I've heard a lot of people say that recently.
Yeah, it moves. It moves good. So it follows technicals. I'm in.
Same as your typical strategy.
Yep. Same thing. Just
Like, are you doing the orb on it too?
sometimes, yeah. Today was. Yep. I know. Crazy, right?
so all the it's actually
All right. Let's see what they give us at price action here. 517. That means we need like 490 to 500.
so like imagine like fixing something so
No, a little higher. No, don't reject already. No. What's up, Mr. Royval?
I'm about to head to practice.
You out of here, bro?
Shit, yeah.
Thanks for coming, man.
Yeah, that was my first trade ever and made a little money. So
Let's go. Hey, Brandon, how much you make today?
Only 30
$30?
bucks.
First trade ever, though. They're ready to go kick some ass in the UFC, baby. Let's go. That's awesome. Took his first trade today, made $30. That's amazing. And he fights professionally in the UFC. He'll be on ESPN December something. When's your next fight, Brandon? December 13th. Main event in Las Vegas. First trade ever. Hey, can I make a video with you real quick, Brandon? Got my boy Brandon here. Fights in the UFC. Made his first trade today. How much you make?
Only 30 bucks.
30 bucks. Hey, that's a win's a win. First trade ever. $30.
We were up in the hundreds. I was like, I should just stop, bro.
Oh, you're up over 100. Hey, you know what?
At a
Green's
certain
green.
point. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
awesome.
Green to green, but yeah.
Thanks
I
for coming
appreciate
today,
you,
bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Thank you, Brandon.
So anyways, when that
Have a
first
good one.
I'm then changing
That's dope.
my take profit. So as soon as I hit level 2, I'm changing my take profit from the average entry price to 26 to 40.
Brandon Royval. Yep, he fights in the UFC. He's fought in some pay-per-view events before too. Yep. That was dope. That was dope. Yep, he lives in Colorado. He just took his first trade ever with us. Yes, literally just left right now. Just left that second. Bro made some moolah, baby, on the gold. Yeah. Gold, baby. That's crazy.
That's dope, dude. That's clean. I've never tested anything like that, so that's fun. It's always fun to see someone else's strategy like that. I spent so much hours going through bands.
I was supposed to be here.
So that's the goal is to get into that complex
Put on his calendar last minute, and so he's like, I can.
more like, because if this is a
So
basic,
I traded for like 20 minutes.
simple concepts, and they're not really
I did
doing
take a
much
trade
concepts,
actually.
really just like
I'm
go
not.
up
I
and
did
into
it.
you know, it's like I don't need to
I did the.
make something new, it's so super complex, all these like rules. I need to go, okay, the wheels already made, let me put it on an axle so it's easier to use. And then even better, I want to automate so I can go snowmobiling and not have to do my own trade.
Yeah. I was like, oh, there's like a 10-point pullback. And I was like, lost limit set in my account, so it just immediately.
Let's go. He's friends with my boy Big Zo. He lives in Colorado. Helped a UFC fighter make some guava today. That's dope. What? I think he would probably kick my butt. I was like, I can't lose this trade. He's going to beat my butt. I can't say curse words on the screen.
But once we closed, like, that and that Daniel had hired me, I entered there, and then that little.
Brandon Royval casually being at the Team Bowl is insane.
And then of course, it like ran up, you know. I wouldn't have held it in Orlando, and I don't think I usually trade the market.
That's awesome. I've reached him. He would literally grapple me and destroy me. Destruction.
So that's on Zoom trends. So when I have that setting on, there's a, I have it somewhere that I couldn't find the other day. I have it where it only enters the trade on a confirmation. So I wouldn't enter, I wouldn't do this game. I geek out.
That was dope. Made a pro fighter money today. Made a lot of people some little money today. It wasn't crazy, but I do like shorts up here. I don't love them, but I'm starting to watch. Still not high enough for me. 517, 2707, 17.
Yeah, usually 5 to 3 to 5. If there's something like
Yeah, B. Royval is trading with us today. We got a whole group of traders in Team Bowl with us today. All the students are with us live in person. Well, not all, but there's too much risk to take shorts from me right now. So I'd have to keep stops above. I mean, arguably speaking, like I'd almost want to keep stops above like 530, so I need like 500 area to even have my maximum risk on. It could reject here. It's just a little too much risk for me. I'm not really in the mood to force any trades. What? Did I? Nice. That was dope. You were going to get literally destroyed. Heads up. Watch out for the cords. Sorry, it's just the internet cord is finicky. It's all right. Caught 10 points on gold. Yep, not bad. I do like shorts up here still, honestly. I wish we were a little higher.
Yeah, next week on camera. Team Bull fundraiser.
That'd be fun. Okay.
Jacob, he's out. It's Jacob.
Alex?
Pleasure meeting you.
Nice meeting you, bro. Thanks for coming by, man.
Yeah, for sure.
I'll have to come see you in Aruba.
Absolutely.
You'll be here for a bit.
So you trade
I
today?
did. I just
Nice.
want to trade some QQQ
How'd it
puts
go?
and then some calls.
How'd it go?
$233.
How much?
$233.
Taking a video you saying that?
Yeah, dude, let's go. Hell yeah, bro.
Getting this dumb mic off. Got my boy Alex here. Came to the headquarters to trade. Yes, sir. How much you make today?
$233. So we traded some QQQ calls and puts.
200 on the day, baby. That's
Sir.
my boy.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate
Thanks
you
for
coming
having
by,
me,
man.
Thanks for having me.
Let's go. Oh, yes. Let's go. If anyone wants a shot of espresso, Gene got 10 of them, so split them, share them. Plug walk. I'm a freak with the espresso, man. I can't get enough. So good. Thank you, Gene. Ooh. What's up, Gerardo? I took that off for a sec. Oh, this was my short entry area. I'm not sure it's literally just been chopping. We're literally at like opening price, almost, a little above. So, opening candle, I should say. Still no entries for me yet. I'm watching.
Cursor also is pretty good. I just not liked it as much. I like the conversation. So when I'm working back and forth with everything, now equally I'll cuss at it. So who knows if the robot's gonna kill me? I'll be like,
Why are you doing this again? Keep them in.
So I was trying to
No entries for me yet, guys.
For my business, but I also want to market. So it's just kind of like,
CRM type of stuff?
it's gonna have a CRM.
Well, I market, like,
Stuff like that.
I'll buy this one, you buy that one, and you should.
Plug Walt.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Very minimal.
So do you
We're
use
off to the
anything
train.
So how do you
So this is
oh my gosh.
Whew. All right. You come in here quick, Gene. No shorts for me, guys. Invalid. No shorts for me, guys. Higher volume on that 5-minute candle, strong wicks. I'm bugged. I'm honestly hyped. We're not at the crib. We're at the Team Bull headquarters. We're at the TBHQ. Trading live with all the students. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 people here. 18 people here in person. Kind of dope. Pretty cool if you ask me. Oh, whoops. Drew, dude holds his trades like he has glue on his hands. It's unreal. Like how?
I finally got him to admit that it's not feasible to do that when you're profitable.
Yeah,
And that's insane. I was like,
totally.
"Do it." And I'm like, "No, I was up 7K and 50K funded trades by account in a day, literally.
Yep.
And I'm like, cool, to get a payout now I have to make
20% consistency is just brutal.
7 times
Yeah,
7
it's
times 20.
it's brutal.
50K to get a $2,000 payout. Sick.
Yup. You got a lot of drawdown though.
The account, I was like, that's just like a waste of my time.
Yup. Plug Walt.
Yeah, but so I use
Get Brandon to join Team Bull so I can ask him fight questions all day. I will. I will.
You're willing to break down on it. You're like, oh, I want to be clear. Maybe NVIDIA to learn Apple
All right, guys. We got 13 more minutes. Glad I caught one winner for y'all in the live. Better than nothing. Gene, want to come say hello to everybody? Gene's going to come on and say hi. The bro's got the double tilt deck on. It's awesome.
What's up, guys?
Oh, it's expensive, bro. That's cool, man.
I forgot to bring my mag with me.
What's up?
Your phone. That's crazy. Nice. Kept it smaller. Good. Come on the phone. What?
I'm not letting the time play out, but I'm trying to like actually show you excitement. Like here's what's dope. I was like, okay, people go, what size is training and comp shoe? You know what I'm saying? And I go, well, it depends. What does your back testing say you're going?
I don't usually walk
And when
either
you're
on
doing
these.
spreadsheets, yeah, that's gonna take
What's up, everybody? How we doing?
I forgot we were on live.
Are we still live? Hello, hello.
I think so.
All right, bare knuckle fight next week. Me and the UFC fighter. Who you guys got on camera? Y'all better vote for me. Yeah. Yeah, you got Brandon. That's right. I mean, never mind. Actually, both of our names are Brandon, so you gotta be a little more specific.
Brandon Rosewiggle.
I got my money on Brandon. Which one?
Hey, thanks again, Gene. Brandon, we'll see you. Yep.
No, I got it. I got it. I gotta figure out. No, I'm good. I gotta find out his jiu-jitsu game. Could be game over if I get it to the ground.
And this is on one MNQ up here.
Bro, I was thinking about taking longs at VWAP on QQQ. I didn't. Would have made a bag.
Yeah, no lie. Don't be bad. What are we doing, Brandon?
Should we full port on Jdun's account?
Yeah, we can. This one's mine.
Oh shit. Alright, should we full port Jdun's account, everybody? Is this you or his?
This is mine.
What's the other one? That's his?
These are his.
What is it? AFAD?
That's Alpha.
Oh. Alright. We're gonna full port longs on Jdun's account right now. Don't tell him. He's coming back.
He is, yeah. We just don't use it.
Asia. Asia. Hey. I've started doing it. I'm just a trading addict now. I can't stop trading. I'm like itching to trade.
I full ported your account. Good. Thank you. Do it.
Like a week you were saying, don't Asia.
I know.
Get off of it.
I know. I was yelling at Gene for trading Asia. Asia. You're stupid, bro. Yeah, I love Asia. There's this hot chick I used to play Asia. She's so hot.
I'm stoked for this weekend.
Do we sit back down?
Gene's going to the Nuggets game.
Yep.
Maybe you. Maybe. We're still deciding if Brandon gets to go.
I should get
Now we're moving. Where's my So like today, for example, on gold, this was the 15-minute high. This was our pre-market high. So your trend-setting candle is the candle that moves aggressively above and sets the trend above that previous resistance or above that key level.
Okay.
So here, you can see that we had pre-market high, 15-minute high. So when you have that aggressive move above, there's a very high probability that when you get that retest back down, you see some sort of bounce off that area. So you enter here, we keep our stops below here, and then what do we look at? We see, well, what is our potential risk? So if we enter here, and we have to keep risk below the trend setting candle low, we have about 6 points, 7 points of risk. So to get 1-to-1, right, we need at least 6, 7 points of gain. So if you get there, trim, you only move your stops to break even. Anything more you get out of that is like 1.5 R or 1.2, 1.5 R, and then hopefully you keep climbing the ranks and working your way up.
Oh, okay.
So the trend setting candle is the candle that closes above or below the previous key level and sets the trend.
So this is the trend candle.
Yep, that's the trend setting candle. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. This may end up being one too, right? Where we go, this is a good example, like in real time right now too. So if you break out of a trend, right, you see above these key levels, breaking above higher volume, there's a high chance that this finds some support in here and then moves up to high a day now.
Okay.
We'll see if it ends up working, but decent example. Now it could just flush right here and go below. Like that's always an example, but that's always a possibility. That's why you have to keep your stops in and your risk managed.
Would you like enter somewhere around there? Or?
You could. I mean, I'm not going to right now
Yeah.
because it's 9:30 on a Friday, but I might at some point. This could also be a good entry candle too, right? We're moving up, volume's increasing, shows buyers are aggressive. If we test back into here, and there's a high probability we still go test this high a day.
Oh, okay. Okay, that makes more sense.
Yeah, yeah. A little easier to learn in person. Right in front of you, you're like, you have to learn it right here.
I know, I was like, man, the access, if I could get to talk to him, I'm like, I think that's why I fell in love with your content so fast. Because I was like, this guy's like right in my area.
Real?
It's so personal. It's real. I'm not following some of these other guys that are in Miami.
Yeah.
You know, so it's like.
We are real people. That's awesome. So let's look at high a day out of this market. Green Eyes wants to go to the Nuggets game.
Have you been in Colorado your whole life?
I grew up in Nebraska, man.
Really?
I was a Cornhusker, yep.
Funny, I actually grew up in Israel.
Did you?
Yeah.
No shit. That's crazy. When did you come here?
I came here back in 2010.
Oh, wow. So like 15 years-ish?
Just about, yeah.
That's awesome, bro. Yeah, grew up in Nebraska and came here 9 years ago.
Funny, you were my inspiration to get out of construction.
Really?
A long time ago, yeah. I used to be a field engineer.
Okay. That's super cool, bro.
I recently got to the point where I was able to pay off my parents' house. So.
Wow. With videography?
With, videography and day trading.
Wow. That's fucking cool, man. And set your parents up, bro. That's amazing. I'd love to get a video with you later, just talking about your journey, if that's all right with you. I'm on stream right now, but that's super cool, man. That makes me.
Funny enough, I think I'm up today 7,500.
Oh, damn! All right. That's crazy, bro. Just saying that. Came here and was in field construction, and he got into day trading. Said I was his inspiration. I'm thinking about it. It is my setup, but I also want to be done trading in like 3 minutes. So I don't know. It is a decent setup though. If you have stops to like 512, I think we go test high a day. Bro was a constructionist, paid off his parents' house, baby. We do this. We do this. Got the whole squad here in person with us.
So here's the cheat code, right? He allows it to be open source, so thankfully for this dude, I built the line and what I take this code and explain
Baby mama text me paragraphs, I'm ignoring.
the protective when I explain like this code is going to be what I want you to because I already know this one. Now of course AI still doesn't explain what it wants to go assume shit. Even though you'll tell them not to.
And then you put that in the cloud or
Who needs more than this?
you put that in the quad or the other one.
Yeah, well I don't really use the other one too much, but document too.
Dan Gerardo, you ready to go to Mexico today? But I ain't pretending. FaceTime in my jeweler. Ask him what I'm spending.
No.
Yes.
I'm from Mexico, but not Mexico City. Yeah, okay.
So you speak Spanish?
Yeah, it's my first language.
Super fluent.
Yeah. I wouldn't have been able to tell because you don't have an accent. That's awesome.
I'll just make it small because I think it looks
I would like to be bilingual.
But here's kind of
I'd like to be
right now.
trilingual.
And I'll then come down and you'll see on some of these.
And this is just the individual days of testing that you've been doing with it. You know, if you speak 3 languages, you're trilingual.
Trilingual.
If you speak 2 languages, you're bilingual. If you speak 1 language, you're American. I'm the same way then you think about my trading, you know, it's fun speaking multiple languages until you accidentally start talking the wrong one. You speak Hebrew? I speak Hebrew. Trading. I love it.
I'm so sick.
That would be a good problem to have. I'm gonna build my. I'd have to see how much I got on my current strategy. Okay.
Let's see if these longs end up moving.
And when you talk about pivot strength, is that like just taking more time?
You're up over 100, you know what? That's great. That's awesome. Thanks for coming today, bro. Appreciate you, man.
So sick. I like the longs right now, personally. If I had to pick, I'm not in anything. And I'm not in anything right now. For the record.
Got my boy Brand here. Fights in the UFC. First trade today. How much you make?
I love this, dude.
Once it gets to a certain point,
Got my boy Brand here. Fights in the UFC.
So instantly, I'm just gonna go for certain meat set requirements and documentation and things like that to sell to like live.
We're going high day right here. Here we go. Blast off.
Listen, I'm not managing money.
There it is. No. I'm just narrating.
That you have to pay for. And then you
Get it.
Give them access to money. And then as soon as they don't pay, like let's say if it's a month, as soon as they don't pay, I just got software handle that too. And just
yeah, just like basically like rich league sneakers. I love it, dude. That's yours.
what I'm gonna do is yeah, so he gets kicked out of casino.
Yeah.
But what am I gonna get kicked out of?
You can't. Yeah, you can't. Oh yeah, but then you go to cash cows.
So what I do is I go to you. We're gonna run a mirror account. So I'm gonna take 50% profit. As soon as you don't pay me that 50% profit, so all my
you're taking all risk off the table.
100%. Then all legalities off the table. So then the goal is now while we're
Hola, Gerardo, ¿cómo estás?
50% goes to you, but then 50% of that goes to a live account as well.
And Cody's just cooking over there on the algos.
So your base is being built by someone else too. Yeah, like the thought process a lot, man. You write all this down, you just think it all through.
I've been doing business for so long that it's just constantly. I've also watched a bunch of my clients like mess up for investors and stuff like that.
10 points on gold.
And then it's like, okay, well, how do I offset all this? And also watching like industries.
Oh, we coming.
I never realized what Mikey did with those online gambling and using those accounts and shit. Because the reality is,
That NBA bus was crazy.
probably buying a bunch of like used Apple type of thing, sending it to people's houses and making sure everything is set up where I can remote tap into their computer, so then they can't even mess with them.
No, it's like
Because human error is absolutely
sucks. The emotion is like it's like as soon as that trading platform starts on their computer, you need to.
All right, let's see.
I'm like, and then you just send it basically, something in a box, back to the box, it's all set up. Costs a few grand to get it. And then what they use, whatever. That's awesome. I really like the way that.
So then,
You out here, Gerardo?
Yeah, bro, I gotta go pack and shit.
right?
Get ready.
So here's what I did. Again, it's
Everyone
not
have a
this
great
one.
day. Good to meet you, bro.
See you, brother.
Thank you for being here, Gerardo.
Somewhere down here in a different PCA.
I'll try not to.
Zone size.
I'll hit you later.
Have a safe trip, bro.
Thank you, brother.
This zone,
Will you take a picture of us quick before you go?
Of course.
this zone is over 200.
All right.
That's another thing. Build algos off of tips, not points.
Okay.
They don't transition it over to other.
I'll send you some pics here in a bit too.
All right, team, but we're going to take a group picture quick.
Ticks are smaller than points, which means you can get more detail on ticks versus points. You see what I'm saying? So it's like I want the most detail.
Everyone, can we assemble for a picture back here? Avengers, assemble! Gene. Team ball side. Team ball, team ball, team ball!
Segments can disappear and take less trades. Yeah. But it's a better equity curve and you don't get those big drops.
Damn, all right. I can't believe I didn't know about that strategy tester for the longest time. That's insane.
Let's just scrunch in back here. Oh, you're in the picture.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Squat it up, baby. Let's go.
That's a pretty good decision.
All right. Go scrunch in behind here. We're gonna get the picture from the front. Don't be shy. What up, Brando? You're the superstar.
Everyone, I'm gonna have y'all get a little closer.
Yup. No, one girl. This is one girl.
My gyno's flared up today.
Alright, y'all ready?
Bigger than mine, honestly.
Alright, here we go, y'all. Everybody say cheese.
Let's go.
Cool, y'all.
Whoa! Thank you guys. Woo! Damn, Gene, you want to take a picture?
Vacation time for you now.
That's a lot of work.
Yeah. It's a workcation.
Workcation. All right, we're taking a picture. Team Bull. Say Rhino 69, everybody.
Oh my god, it's gonna go back. What did it
Doing
do?
injections. I hate that stuff. Or my 140.
My issue is I keep
I
pinning my
mean,
glute
if you
my last.
did the stop that
You never go in the top of the
right under the
top
five
of the shaker.
So when I do, I go to turn my
Damn, watch us just rip now. Have that sweep down and this nuclear.
break off. I don't want to
It's always just scary.
And then my fat ass, I'm like trying to like look back at it, make sure it's like all out.
I'm the same way. I do peptide injections, so it's like, I write down or just get
It's no cat, but they ain't pretending. FaceTiming my jeweler, ask him what I'm spending.
Yeah, I work with a gastroenterologist to get this staff. I had like this I still have it, but I don't have any.
They're thinking about pushing it.
Any trades for you, boss?
Just gold earlier, man. Made a few hundred bucks. That's it.
Man, I'm scared of trading.
That's why I started trading it really small. You know, I mean, it's had some good movement lately, so I'm open to it. But you know, NASDAQ just didn't. I think it looks like NASDAQ wants to pop up now, but it's just like you look at this, like this is not a good day, right? Sure, you could technically have gotten long at the bottom or short at the top, but like this range right here is just no bueno. So days like today, you just risk off and. You know, you'll get your trend days, but if you sit here and try to scalp and get caught in all this garbage, then
that was my only trade.
You end up in a bad spot.
The entry up at the high. I think it was. I forgot what it was. I actually still have it open because it was the eval passer.
The eval passer.
It was at the high, so it would have been 26.
Took the gold trade with you, Jada. Made 500. Nice. Nice job, my boy.
Yeah, but I didn't cash out. It wasn't a good job.
It's all right. You out here, JP?
Nice to meet you.
Good to see you, bro.
Thanks for coming, man.
No trades, huh?
No, just gold.
Oh, yeah.
Just a gold trade, yep.
Nice. How was that?
Scalp. That's fine.
Yeah.
Called the winner here, so.
Yeah.
no NASDAQ trades though.
Cool. Yeah, I just got it funded right now on
Nice.
on Alpha.
Nice.
Because I trade options, but I kind of want to try futures. So.
Okay, nice.
See how it goes.
It's worth trying. Getting your feet dabbled into it.
And more like capital. I think that's what I need because I have a really small account, so I just
Totally.
get some money from these prop firms.
Yes, sir. Good seeing you, man.
You too, man.
I seen you texting me some of those examples, so I need to check them out.
Yeah, no,
I
you're
will.
good. Yeah.
I appreciate
Let
that,
me know,
man.
man.
Gene was saying you're solid.
Yeah. Appreciate
I'll
that.
put those this weekend and get back to you.
All right, sounds good. Yeah, we'll be in touch.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah.
So like how many? Oh my bad. So how many how much is the value per tick on the GC that you trade right now?
So it's $100 per point, so $10 per micro. So if you have a mini, it's $100 per. It can get away from you really quick.
I was about to say that's like
You can really, it can get away from you very, very fast. Extremely. That's why I like. And this is about to rip. I'm telling y'all, this is about to just flag here. Take off. I'm not taking it, but if I had to guess, unless we go, if we hit below here, it's invalid. But whenever you see us come higher volume reclaim, if we can just hold this, we should see a really nice move up. This price action has been garbage today, though.
no, yeah, 100%.
No bueno.
It's been in this big range. No, it's a valid.
All-time high on a Friday. I know they gave us CPI that sent us to all-time high on a Friday. No bueno.
I got a question for you.
What's up?
So, if I started with a really small account, like 500, and just
Okay.
traded micros, should I do that up to 1,000?
I think you should do it until you get confidence increasing your size. I don't think you even think about the numbers. You don't think about 500 or 1,000 or profit targets or daily targets. You just trade the process, and eventually you'll scale up and you'll feel more confident increasing your size.
Yeah, because right now I'm just trading paper.
Because what's going to happen is you're going to go with micros and get up to 1,000. If you switch to minis or increase your size, you're going to get your ass kicked.
That's what I was saying. I was
just
kind of
what's gonna
telling,
happen.
I think it was Gene, I'm not sure, is scaling up to 1,000 and then splitting it in half into like 2 accounts at 500 each, and then just keep doing micros. To
I think your best bet is just keep going micros and slowly scaling up. I always recommend people do like an audit once a month on the first of the month. How did I do last month? What was my P&L? How was my confidence? How was my system? If you do well there, then you slowly scale that up.
Oh, okay. Because I've only been doing this for a month. So,
sorry, 1 second. I forgot I had to call.
I tried it like 6 months ago with this content, and then he wasn't live every day. So it's like I kind of lost interest and I kind of set it aside. So. And then I found out he was live every single morning.
When I see it's because if you come here, think about me what I actually figured
Back in the fucking day, it's like you need to get a certain level of education. Yeah.
All right. So you can see, guys, we're live from the TBHQ. Caught one winner on gold today. We will take it. We will take it. As a reminder, too, Apex is 80% off. Make sure you guys use code JDUN if you're looking to lock in the best discount with Apex, Alpha Futures, or Tradeify. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. And you guys have homework this weekend. What's your homework? What's everyone's homework this weekend? To watch the 3-hour free course. That is your homework on YouTube. Spend 3 hours investing into your future. If you can't invest 3 hours into your future, it's going to be very hard for you to make it as a trader.
The thing that's been messing with me mentally is like the first 2 weeks I started, I was like $500 days, $600 days, I'd lose a little bit, but still be in the green $100. One day I hit 14, and I'm like, man, why does this all have to be paper? Right? I could have been real money. That's what happened to me. Like, I was focusing too much on number-wise. Like, for example, it's like maybe like $1,000 or whatever, and I'm just trying to make some. Yeah, not good. I don't focus on like
but then I started doing like 20, 30 points of risk to like a certain amount, like 50 points, and then just targeting that. Over time, I actually did size up to like a month and a half into having that in a consistent payout. So I was size up a little bit more, yeah, but I haven't getting sized up since because I'm okay with like the 20.
All right, y'all. I'm about to mob off for this beautiful Friday. Caught one winner on gold. No trades on NQ. We will get back to it on Monday, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, choose discipline over dopamine, and I'll see you guys on the flip side, all right? God bless y'all. Have a great rest of your days. And I'll see you on Monday. Let's keep killing next week. Peace. All right, TikTok and YouTube, I'm out of here. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button. I trade live each and every day. Yes, sir, we traded live with our students today in person. Caught one winner on gold. As you can see here, got the students in person trading. Nobody else does this besides Team Bowl. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button, and I'll see you guys on Monday. God bless y'all. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.